The Erasmus Bridge, located in the city of Rotterdam, is an iconic landmark that has become synonymous with the city's modern and vibrant landscape. This architectural marvel not only serves as an important transportation link, but also offers spectacular views and attracts tourists from all over the world. Stretching across the Maas River, the Erasmus Bridge is a testament to Rotterdam's innovative spirit. It connects the northern and southern parts of the city, providing easy access for pedestrians, cyclists and vehicles alike. Its elegant design and high height make it a striking element of Rotterdam's skyline. For tourists visiting Rotterdam, a visit to Erasmus Bridge is a must-do. The bridge offers a panoramic view of the cityscape and allows visitors to appreciate the unique combination of modern architecture and historical charm. Whether you are interested in exploring the architectural wonders of Rotterdam or simply want to enjoy the stunning views of this vibrant city, a visit to Erasmus Bridge is sure to leave a lasting impression.